You're on camera, say hi.
Hello.
Okay, I figured it out too much. My lash line is going to be a blue and a pink ombre. बेकार, इतना बेकार लग रहा है. So अगर तुम्हें stupidity देखना है तो तुम जा सकते हो मेरे पेज पे. By plucking it out and anxiety. So. Back to my YouTube channel again, and as you've read by the title, we are going to be doing Diwali makeup look. There have been a lot of bumps in this makeup tutorial. It's not going to be the best smooth makeup tutorial, trust me, because my eye look has been messed up like a lot of times. You all will see, and आपने जैसे preview में भी देखा होगा, बहुत बार मैंने ना mess up कर दिया मेरा eye look. But ठीक है, this is what we came up with. So if you want to learn how I got this look, please continue watching. Starting with the Kama Ayurveda's Pure Lavender Water. This is a face and a body mist. I just use this after I do a face wash to hydrate my face. Just a few sprays all over my face is enough. Recipe serum. This is the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops. You just take 2-3 pumps of this and you warm it up between your palms and you apply it all over your face in a dabbing motion. This will ensure the product is seeping in and not getting wasted while you are like swiping it off your face. So make sure you dab it and for at least 2 to 3 minutes do this tapping motion. मतलब खुद को मारना है ऐसे तमाचे मारने हैं. So this is a Korean skincare tip that I learned from Manasi Mao's vlog. Now we're going to be using the Clinique moisturizer. It's the dramatically different moisturizing lotion. I got this from the States. The same technique that we did with the serum, you do it with the moisturizer as well. You warm it up between your palms and then you apply it all over your face in the dabbing motion. And once you think that you've covered every part of your face, from your eyelids to the creases between your nose, every part of your face basically is covered with the moisturizer, what you do is take it down to your neck, because that's also very, very important, and you massage it into it. But not the least, we'll be applying a lip balm on our face, on our lips. It's a minimalist lip balm with SPF 30. So I warm it up on the back of my hand so that it's easily applicable. I will be going ahead with Maybelline's primer. It's the Fit Me Primer Matte Plus Poreless Normal to Dry, Oily Skin, and it also has SPF 20 in it. And I'll just take a little on the back of my hand. This is how the consistency looks like, and it's very, very easy to apply. You don't have to do a lot. Just on the necessary parts of my face I'll apply it, and it's tacky in nature, which will ensure that my foundation and my concealer will stay on for a longer period of time. I'll just take a little more to apply it under my eyes. Because I like applying primer under my eyes nowadays is because of the fine lines that I have, and they are pretty visible, and after like an hour or two they do start creasing, which I am not a fan of. It's a very unpleasant makeup look. You can also apply an eye cream for this, but I don't like adding another product to my skincare routine, so I just make sure I do it with the primer because it works the same for me. The Fit Me foundation, it's the cult favorite foundation. I'm in the shade 310, and I'll be using the foundation before my concealer only because that will help me ensure that I'm not using a lot of product. I will just apply the concealer on the necessary parts then, and this foundation works really well for my oily skin type right now. It does not break me out, and that's the reason why I'm not experimenting a lot with makeup at the moment, because my skin is going through a lot anyway. So now I'll be using the Maybelline's Fit Me concealer in the shade 40, and this I apply only under my eyes, like very little, because I don't want to cake up my face and it's already oily. So what happens is it clogs my pores. So I'm taking a flat brush and I'm taking a little of my Fit Me loose powder and I'm just going to dab it under my eyes. I'm not going to cake it up because it just makes my skin really dry and I'm not a fan of that. Now we're going to go ahead with this Wow My Brow eyeshadow palette by Nykaa. Of using this palette, this is actually my first eyebrow palette that I'd ever bought. It might be expired by now, but it really doesn't matter because brow products or any powder products, even if they expire, they don't do anything to your skin, because I've learned this from Malvika Sitlani. Even she used her really favorite blush that she really loves and it was expired, I guess, I'm not sure, but it does not do anything, at least to me. So I use it. Please, if you don't want to use it, don't. I mean, it's fine. Keep filling out my eyebrows properly in a Diwali festive look is because it's just looks nice. It gives structure to your face and it makes sure that your eye look looks really pretty and elegant, because eyebrows really do matter. So I'm using the Makeup Revolution Forever Flawless eyeshadow palette and I'm going to take this nude shade right here. It's the name is Sweethearts. I'm going to lightly just cover my entire lid using this eyeshadow, mainly because it gives a base to apply your shimmers and also build it up later. We're going to take a darker color right here and we're going to just deepen out the outer corner, and I'm taking this purple shade as well. It's a very beautiful purple. We'll dab out the excess because it's very pigmented. We'll mix the two shades and just apply it on the outer crease and corner. So you see, it gives you some definition. There is a very visible difference of how my eye looks, and I personally really like having this kind of an effect when I'm applying an eyeliner, because it looks more pretty, or looks prettier. See, I messed up. Guys, if you're not following me on my Instagram, please go follow me on Instagram. My ID is Sakina Motiwala Official, and the only reason why I remembered saying this right now is because I messed up while talking. And on my Instagram stories, you all will get a lot of BTS about all the shoot that I keep on doing at home. I'm kind of funny there. Dry humor, but okay. Glitter right here. It's a very dark glitter, but since it's Diwali, we just go a little glam. And I start from the middle and then I slowly go into my inner corner. Make sure that the glitter is only on your lid and not on your entire face, because it just looks very chunky when you come into light. मतलब when light is on you. But we get my point. Guys, जितना glitter लगाना है लगा लो, because Diwali है. I mean, obviously, क्यों ही नहीं लगाओगे? Taking this flat brush, and if you are wondering who did this, it's my dog Archie. We are going to take a really cool blue right here. It's the navy color blue, and we're going to be taking this really hot pink, kind of a pink. आँखों में से आंसू आ रही है eyeshadow के लिए. I will be taking another brush and we'll be dipping it into that blue navy color, and it looks so pigmented. So I'll dust off the excess because I do not want to create a mess. Guys, I think I messed it up for some reason. We're gonna attempt to do a wing liner. I don't know why am I so hell-bent on ruining this makeup look, but if this look comes up, the tagline is gonna be watch me ruin my makeup. मेरे को डर लग रहा है guys. So guys, after a lot of trial and error, I came to the conclusion that if I apply eyeliner, or even if I apply like a smudged kajal look or anything, this eyeliner, this look is very heavy in terms of color. Because of that, it looks very dramatic. It does not give Diwali vibes, but it gives me fashion show, or that साथ निभाना साथिया में कोकिला vibes आती है, because it looks very heavy and I cannot personally carry such a heavy look. So what I plan to do is I'll keep the eyes as it is. I'll do a little color in my lash line, I'll apply a brown kajal, and I'll do like heavy mascara. That's pretty much it for my eyes. So as you all can see, I've applied purple and it looks very pretty. Thankfully, not something that I'm going to again remove, apply concealer again. Because trust me, मैंने वो 4 बार कर चुका है. जितना मेकअप मैंने आज के लुक में किया है ना, मैंने आज तक कोई भी मेकअप लुक में नहीं किया है. गेस I'm curling my lashes because it does make a difference in how my mascara looks. बट मुझे डर भी बहुत लगता है क्योंकि मेरे लैशेस ना के बराबर है. So I don't want to mess them up. Taking the Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced. It's their non-waterproof mascara. I'm not a fan of waterproof mascara, guys. I have applied fake lashes only when I've gone for shoots, like photo shoots, proper professional photo shoots. मैंने तभी fake lashes लगाए. मैंने कभी भी मेकअप लुक्स के लिए या जब मैं बाहर गई हूँ तभी फेक लैशेस नहीं लगाए, बिकॉज आई जस्ट फील इट्स टू हैवी for me. The Maybelline Fit Me, if you're following me on Instagram, you know how obsessed I am with this color, this blush, the pigment, the formulation, everything works so well. Look at it. Look how pretty it looks. It complements my eye look also really well. And I just want to apply it here. The very snatched look, and I'm not a fan of contouring everyday पे. एंड फेस्टिवल हो या कुछ भी हो, मैं नहीं करती इतना कॉन्टूर. मैं तब करती हूँ कॉन्टूर, लाइक अगर मेरा मन किया कि मैं एकदम ग्लैम लुक करूँ या मैं किसी को रिक्रिएट कर रही हूँ, लाइक किसी का मेकअप लुक रिक्रिएट कर रही हूँ और उन्होंने कॉन्टूर किया है या कोई नया कॉन्टूर हैक निकला है. क्योंकि आई पर्सनली डोंट लाइक कॉन्टूर फॉर 2 reasons. It looks too much on the face for an everyday basis or even for Diwali or anything as such, because everybody now goes for a lighter base. Nobody likes a heavy look anymore. That's what I think personally. But yeah, we'll be using this Master Chrome highlighter by Maybelline. It's in the shade golden, I feel. I'm not really sure. And we'll be applying this on the high points of our face. Only here because I have texture on my cheek. So I'll be applying it just here. And it looks very pretty. It's a very blendable highlighter, I must say. And I am not a fan of highlighter anymore. 2017 Sakina loved highlighter. She used to apply highlighter all over her face. But 2023 Sakina just likes to keep it normal and basic, which all will not like because ज़्यादा looks देखने मिलेंगे नहीं. So we're going to take a lip liner and lip liner lips. Lip liner lips? Liner lips. So that's pretty much it for our makeup look for Diwali today. तो ये है मेरा makeup look. It's a little dark than I do usually, but it's perfect for Diwali because it's all about being bold and it's all like festive, glam. So it's perfect for Diwali. I would any day wear this look. Yeah, this is pretty much our look for today. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you all stayed till the end of the video, I'm pretty sure you all liked it. So please don't forget to leave a big thumbs up. Subscribe कर दो यार, free है. And yeah, I will see you in my next video super soon. Love you. Bye.